How to switch account on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can easily switch or change your YouTube account, whether you are using multiple accounts or just want to switch to different one. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your YouTube app. Once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. After entering your account section, simply tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. Once you have entered the setting page, simply tap on switch account and you will get a list of all accounts linked to your YouTube app or Google account. Simply tap the account that you want to switch to and just like that, you are in. You are now ready to watch, like, or comment with your new account. And that's how you can switch or change your account in YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.